Hey everyone, thank you for tuning into our YouTube channel. I'm Rachel here with vicrez.com, and in this video, we are going to compare multiple different styles of carbon fiber front lip splitters offered by Vicrez for the BMW M3 and M4 vehicles. This includes the F80 sedan, F82 coupes, and F83 convertibles. Now before we jump right to it, let me give you a little briefing on the importance of functionality of front lip splitters. All things aerodynamic considered, front lip splitters can be quite essential when looking for components to improve the overall drag coefficient of your vehicle, as it serves to balance the front and rear distribution of downforce. When traveling at high speeds, a front splitter encourages air to pass on the sides of the vehicle and over the hood, rather than underneath. This improves traction and helps the car to hug the road tighter, increasing stability at high speeds and around turns, meaning improved handling for you, less strain on the motor during acceleration, which allows for better fuel economy in the long run. So rejoice in knowing that these carbon fiber front lip splitters are not only visually satisfying, but also practical. You'll be pleased to find that these front lip splitters are ultra lightweight and extremely durable, providing you with a product that is up to 80% lighter than factory parts. So with that out of the way, we can get straight to the splitters. Starting with our first out of four VZ101021, the Vicrez Z Style carbon fiber front lip splitter. Now this splitter has a subtle and sleek appearance, adding a modern flair to the BMW's front end. And with the added appeal and luxury of this front lip splitter being manufactured entirely in high-grade carbon fiber materials, you'll be pleased to find that our standard for quality is high. So if you're looking to add a little pep to your step or want to take pride in your ride, this splitter is the go-to for your M3 and M4 BMWs. But for those of you looking for a style that sits at the other end of the spectrum, we'll move right along to our more aggressive VZ101024, the Vicrez GTS Style carbon fiber front lip splitter. For those looking to stand out on the road, this GTS Style carbon fiber front lip is nothing short of eye-catching. Flashy and dramatic in design, you'll surely make heads turn. Now this particular front lip splitter is a two-piece item. So once you get that base piece of the splitter hole fitted onto the front of your vehicle, you will need to secure that carbon fiber front lip to the splitter hole in order to complete the installation. You'll notice that it does come with pre-drilled holes, so installation is made simple. Just use the provided hardware to bolt it into place. Vicrez would like to advise that carbon fiber products require specialized skills to install, and we recommend professional installation by an accredited automotive body shop before DIY. But for those who are somewhere between show out and savvy, our last two options are a happy medium to choose between. VZ101054 is the V4R carbon fiber front lip splitter offered by Vicrez. This one-piece splitter is complementary to the refined style of BMW M3s and matched to the cultured appearance of BMW M4s. And with the use of carbon fiber materials that have been rated for aerospace engineering instead of the more commonly and readily made available commercial-grade carbon, you can expect not just an OEM fit, but also true pleasure as you come to appreciate the dress-to-impress attitude that this front lip splitter style brings. And lastly, VZ101041, the Vicrez ZR Style carbon fiber front lip splitter. Best fitted to those who want a revamped curb appeal and a picturesque worthy upgrade. Truly, this three-piece carbon fiber splitter is unmistakably bold in appearance, yet harmonious to the aerodynamic design of your BMW vehicle. Notably aggressive, clear-cut angles combined in stark contrast to well-rounded edges will leave you feeling more than impressed, as this alluring carbon fiber front lip splitter is simply sublime. However, we ask that you please make sure to test fit all aftermarket products before they are painted, installed, or modified in any way. Now we'll have more videos coming out soon, so stay tuned if you like what you see and you want to see more. Just make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the 411 on our new product releases. And if you want to get the latest deals and discounts sent straight to your inbox, make sure you head on over to vicrez.com and subscribe to our weekly newsletter.